Congress party is not only benching Shashi Tharoor but also Manish Tiwari, and the BJP has hit out. The BJP says Congress benches those who say Bharat Mata ki Jai. The BJP is saying Congress is promoting those who say Pakistan Zindabad. Congress's Manish Tiwari does a Tharoor after a snub. Congress MP posts भारत का रहने वाला हूं. So that's a massive dig that's being taken virtually at the Congress party, and is it specifically at the Gandhis. Another Operation Sindoor envoy clearly at odds with the Congress party. But of course, I'll get you more on the story. But before that, we're getting a reaction from Pramod Tiwari of the Congress party. Let's quickly cut across and listen in.
आपकी ही पार्टी के दो सांसद शशि थरूर और मनीष तिवारी को लेकर कई सारी चर्चाएं जारी हैं कि लोकसभा में उन्हें बोलने नहीं दिया गया. मनीष तिवारी ने ट्वीट तक करके कहा कि वो भारत के वासी हैं और भारत की बात बताते हैं. जो पुराना गाना है वो दोहराया है. तो पार्टी से नाराजगी चल रही है. आप एक तरह रणनीति बना रहे हैं सरकार को घेरने की. यहाँ पार्टी में ही एक दूसरा धड़ा बन रहा है.
मैं सीधे से बात कहना चाहता हूँ, कांग्रेस पार्टी संसदीय दल में किसी तरह का भेद नहीं, लेकिन स्पीकर बोलने वाले सीमित होंगे और जो स्पीकर बोलेंगे वो कांग्रेस का पक्ष रखेंगे. बहुत से लोग छूट गए, इनमें ये भी.
बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. तो रणनीति स्पष्ट दिख रही है सरकार.
So more reactions that are coming in because the BJP is on the war path. The BJP says the Congress is not on the same page. In fact, those who know the truth about Operation Sindoor and leaders like Shashi Tharoor clearly know foreign policy. Leaders like Manish Tiwari understand national security and foreign policy, and they know what India was able to achieve through Operation Sindoor, and that is why they are not on the Congress list of speakers trying to target the Narendra Modi government on Operation Sindoor. Yesterday, Shashi Tharoor had made one thing very clear. He just said, Maun Vrat, Maun Vrat. We'll make you listen to that. BJP is saying Congress benches those who say, Bharat ka rehne wala hu, Bharat ki baat sunata hu. Hai Preet yahan ki reet sada. Now, Manish Tiwari, he put out that song, very, very clear. Are there divisions out in the open within the Congress party?